I forgot to film right before I went to bed. Right. Look, I had a little sleeping friend. Yeah, I had a massive sleep in today because I'll show you in a second why. I feel amazing. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. There's a grey hair, as grey as you go. God damn it, I'm getting old. Anyways, let's have a look what the weather is like. I'll swap the camera around. Oh yes, beautiful views. Beautiful. This is exactly the reason why I slept in this morning. There's no point of waking up. You can't see anything. I don't have that much hiking to do today, so... Quite excited about this one because I'll get back in there. Never tried this before. I usually buy some fire pot made meals. Never tried the breakfast before. Ooh, what do we have? It's a baked apple porridge, 500 calories. Nice little snack. Yeah, exciting. Let's not forget creatine for the day. A little bit misleading, but how cool is this? Nice tiny little cute. It's gonna be weird, but there you go. Whoa, not the nicest. Hey, spider, get away! Right, how are we gonna do this? Oh, God knows. Right, let's try to not burn ourselves. Oh, okay, I might need 2 hands. Yeah, I couldn't find a nice and stable surface, so I am the table now. Look at it. Oh yeah, that is the good stuff of the morning. The breakfast is cooking, 15 minutes. The coffee is cooking, about 1.5 minutes. And I'm fucking ready. Oats like oats. Nothing crazy. I mean, like, it's good. But, yeah, like, stuff like you would do at home. So take that as you wish. That apple, though. Oh, nom, 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 nom. See, the worst thing about having breakfast in a tent is I don't really want to go any... Oh, porridge. Oh, no, still that. Yep, porridge. The worst thing about breakfast in a tent is I don't really want to go anymore. I kind of want to have a nap now. Right, okay, let's go. Yes, it's still a perfect weather. And off we go. We're tethered to the backpack. That's all the range of motion I've got. Can't see anything, but we're moving. Let's go see. I think I've got like a 20k to do today. And then right back in the car and home time for a bit of pancakes. Ooh, shooby-doo-boo. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Woo! Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Did you know that all these big stones, they came from Scotland in the last ice age? You Scottish mountain pieces, whatever. So-and-so. I don't even know anymore. Right. Just one cornetto. Give it to me. I kind of look like a Christmas tree. Anyways, the weather is lovely. Still. But, yeah, I'm not sure if that's snot or if that's just a condensation, but there you go. Ta-da. 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 This is the kind of stuff that people don't really think about when they think, oh, I'm gonna go hiking, it's gonna be amazing. Look at this. Oh, yummy. Fucking, come on. Oh yeah. None of that sun and unicorns and whatever bullshit. This is hiking. You go through bogs and peat and you get fucking wet and horrible and love it. And this is where the real strength training comes into play in hiking, in real hiking, because you know, one slip down here and you're gonna be crying for your mummy because your lower back just thrown out. You're carrying your backpack, it hurts. Your ankle can go, knee. Train for it, train for the unexpected. Be strong, robust, resilient. That's the whole thing about expedition fitness. And that's the whole thing that I'm trying to get to people who do like the outdoors. Hiking alone is not enough. It's not even nearly enough. You gotta be strong, you gotta live a good quality life when you're 60, 70, whatever, you know. All about strength training, man. Alright, I'm gonna try to actually start looking down where I'm going, because I will be one of those people who are gonna be crying for my mummy. Bye. Bloody broccoli is growing around. What the hell, man? Weird. Finally, actual views. Alright, all we've got left today is go up there and then car. Oh, fucking motherfucker. Fuck. Okay, I can't stop now. Shape out of the fucking way. Out of the way, bitches. Oh, fucking hell. Motherfucker. Oh, okay. I mean, that's pretty cool. I thought blackface is rude. No? Okay. Pussy. Yes, this is how we get that tender beef. Oh, look at them steaks walking around. Yummy. I'm sure I know what I'm having tonight. Last push now, up Mount Tor, and whoa, we're gonna be back in the car. And all I can think of, this whole ascent, I could have been seeing this the whole time. Like, look, it's actually nice as hell. I want to see that yesterday and all through today. That's autumn for you, though. All right, last push. Ah, yeah, this counts as well. Boing. All right, that's our home right there. Oh, hello. Look at him go. It's the last one. Come on. So close. Come on. Come on. Yeah, boy. Now, car is down there somewhere. Finally, so hungry. So hungry. That's the only thing. Not tired, not anything. Hungry. So much easier going down. But remember the one thing that I said when you cross other people? Fuck, it annoys me so much. Like, I judge you every single time. So much. Oh, finally. Right. And here we are. One more last thing before I go. I'll just meet you in there, okay? Two things, actually. One thing, apples from Aldi. Oh, yeah. Crunchy. And the second thing, how do you girls do thongs? Because my pants kept on riding up my crack the whole day today, and oh boy. Anyways, this is me done. 32 kilometers. It was fun. I'm gonna try to edit this and put it on the YouTube, and we'll see how it goes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.